Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to install a Python package that may not necessarily be available in the default installation of Python that comes with fresh installations of Amira-Avizo and PerGeos. To do this, you need to first create a new Python environment. Do this by opening up in Amira and Avizo the project workroom, selecting the Python option from the toolbar, and then under Environment, select Create New Environment. Give your environment a name and click OK. A command prompt will open up and text will appear on the screen. Wait until the control is returned to the user, and then you can close this window and continue. Now that we have control over the command prompt again, we can close this window. And again, go to Python, and then Environment, and you should see your newly created environment right here. The next step is to open a prompt to the package manager, and in parentheses it says EDM. This stands for In-Thought Deployment Manager, which is how a new installation of our products manage Python packages and libraries. The first thing we should do is actually check our desired package version. So I'm going to be looking at a program called Dask. Dask is a very interesting piece of software that is interfaced with Python, and among other things, it can allow you to combine very complex associations of arrays, as shown in this figure here. The newest version, as of recording, of Dask is somewhere around 2.6. So let's check what version is installed in the Python environment that we just created. First, let's list all of our Python environments. We can do this by typing edm space environment list. You should see listed every environment that you've created. I have two, including the one that I just made. Now, let's list all of the packages that are available inside of that environment. To do this, type edm list-e and then the name of the environment. It's going to be a long list, and we're looking for the number that's to the right of the word Dask. So this is only version 1.1 and then some subversion. Now it could be that there is a more updated version available through the In-Thought Deployment Manager. To check this, we can type edm search and then the name of the library or module that you're interested in. It will report every version of that module available, and you can see that the latest version available is still only around 1.2. So instead, we need to use another tool. To do this, we need to actually create a shell that is inside of the environment that we created. I'll show you what that looks like. So type in edm shell e for environment, and then the name of our environment. So if we're able to actually enter this environment, we would be able to use a tool such as Pip to actually install and upgrade existing or new packages, which is what I'm going to do. So I'll just type in pip install and then a specific version of Dask, and in brackets here, complete. And then in order to force Pip to overwrite the existing version, I need to type in a dash and then the word upgrade. If you get any errors at this point, read those errors and try to look for them online. Chances are pretty good that someone else has encountered this kind of an error before with the more common programs out there. Okay, the uninstallation of the old version is complete. The installation of dependencies is also complete. And then finally, the newest version of Dask Complete was installed. To confirm all of that, we can open a Python shell just by typing in Python, hitting enter. This is Python version 3.5.2. I can import Dask and then type in the phrase print and then open parentheses dask dot 2_version 2_ close parentheses. And we confirm that when we imported Dask, we were importing this newest version 2.6.0. To actually use this in Amira-Avizo or PerGeos, we need to do the following. First, we need to actually exit out of all we've entered here. So let's exit the Python prompt, exit the EDM environment, and then exit the EDM prompt. Finally, we need to select under Python our Python environment. You'll receive a warning that we need to restart the application in order to use that Python environment. Once you've restarted the software, navigate to an Amira-Avizo, the project workroom, open up the Python console activated with the little caret down here, and then selecting the main Python console tab, and type in the same commands as we did in the EDM prompt earlier. So import Dask, and then print Dask dot 2_ version, 2_, or you can type in help and then Dask. And towards the bottom, it should report the version number. Now you are ready to fully customize your Python installation inside of our software. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.